What's up, guys? If you're trading on Olymp Trade and want to get a free bonus or discount in 2025, here are the best promo codes and how to use them. Step 1. Check for live codes. Search online for Olymp Trade promo code 2025 to find the latest offers. These codes get updated often, so it's important to grab them before they expire. Step 2. Use trusted coupon sites. Visit well-known sites like Retail Minot, Coupon Chief, or Slick Deals. They regularly post verified Olymp Trade codes. Some provide free bonus credit, others offer discount rates. Step 3. Look inside the app or website. Log into your Olymp Trade account and go to the Promotions or Bonuses page. Any current codes or special deals will be clearly listed there. Just copy and paste into the relevant field. Step 4. Redeem at deposit. When you're ready to deposit, enter your promo code on the deposit screen. Confirm that your bonus or discount appears before proceeding. Step 5. Stack offers when possible. Keep an eye out for limited time offers or seasonal deals. Sometimes you can combine current codes with Olymp Trade's deposit match promotions to save even more. Final step. Check the terms. Before you apply any code, always read the terms. Look for minimum deposit requirements, eligibility, and expiry date so you know exactly what you're getting. That's it. Top promo codes and bonus tracking tips for Olymp Trade in 2025.